In this video, I will talk about how you can download the official Chrome extension of ChatGPT such that you can utilize ChatGPT for every search as the name suggests. And here you can see I have opened ChatGPT.com, and here itself, it is suggesting me to download this plugin. So let's click on Get Extension. And there we go, it will take us to this website. Now all we need to do here is we need to click on Add to Chrome and then continue to install. Again, click on Add Extension, and since this is official from ChatGPT, so you do not need to worry about. And then let me now open my tab here, and if I type here anything, for example, let me search my own website, which is Technoholic Plus, and let's hit enter. And let's see what it come up with. And here actually Google is asking us to change back to Google search. So Google might be, feeling the threat for the first time because Bing was not able to do that, but probably Search GPT can. So I'm gonna keep it. So I'm not going to change it back to Google. And here you see the beauty of search result. No bloatware, nothing, just pure result and very accurate as well. So here I can see this is almost accurate depiction or extract of my website, which is all about of my website. And here ChatGPT was even able to access my email address, and then I can see different references, which is great. And now if I let's say click on it, and there we go. So in this way, guys, you can set up Search GPT as your default search engine. Be sure to subscribe to Technoholic for more such tech related videos, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take